Nobody is allowed to go to the mountain waterfall at 4 p.m. 2. Those there should start returning latest by 5 p.m. Defaulters will be punished. 3. Clapping of hands and shouting at the mountain and monastery environment is prohibited. 4. Immodest clothes such as transparent materials, shorts, trousers for women are not allowed. Women should cover their hair. Do not use images, statues, and candles within the monastery environment, mountain, and waterfall. Order by management.
Hello, my wonderful people. This is going to be a very brief one. Still on the matter here in Enugu State. We are at Odi local government area, and here we are at a particular village called Amugwe village. Yes,
in Awhum town.
In Awhum town, that's where we are, and we were tracing this waterfall called Awhum Waterfalls and cave, and we learned it's being located at this village here. However, on getting here, because we have to drive for like about over 2 hours, and on getting here we discovered that we can't even get in there once is 4 p.m. and another thing is that when we get there, you cannot take video or picture. So why are we here? Someone answer that. Why then are we here? As we are going now, I will show you the signboard that states the rules. You understand? So that you know that yes, I've tried my best possible to bring this to your view, but there's nothing I can do right now. So welcome to Awhum Waterfall and cave that we cannot do video and take pictures. Anyway, however, we saw some videos. I don't think we've seen any video, but we will do a research and see. We saw some pictures of it on the internet, so we'll try to see if we can just bring to you. We don't know the reason why we can't take video and pictures at a cave. I don't know. It has to do with their own tradition or whatever, or belief. So let it be. So without much ado, let's roll and keep moving. Thank you.
Nobody is allowed to go to the mountain waterfall at 4 p.m. 2. Those there should start returning latest by 5 p.m. Defaulters will be punished. 3. Clapping of hands and shouting at the mountain and monastery environment is prohibited. 4. Immodest clothes such as transparent materials, shorts, trousers for women are not allowed. Women should cover their hair. Do not use images, statues, and candles within the monastery environment, mountain, and waterfall. Order by management.
Then another thing is this: when we got there, we were being told that they won't allow us to snap pictures or do any video coverage or whatever. So why is the place there?
That is the work of security, and that's the reason why security is there. Because some people are just coming there, snap, and doing whatever they didn't like.
Like what are they
like
doing?
Maybe some people will take it and go and do something, maybe spiritual something. So that's why they didn't allow anybody to go in there videoing or snapping.
Anyway, but to me, so far something is natural,
and it's from God.
It's from God.
We know it's from God. But
do you understand what I'm saying?
All men are not the same. Okay? You are not like I am. I didn't know what is in your own mind. And you didn't also know what is my own mind.
But are you challenging God?
I'm not challenging God.
So
I'm not challenging God. That's why they are doing it. So to save and protect. That's the reason of the security. As you can see, security is here.
The security, are they protecting the cave or they are protecting the monastery?
The monastery.
They're protecting the cave.
What are they protecting in the cave?
What they are protecting in the cave? Some people may enter inside
good
the
and
cave.
thief.
Inside
And
the
do
cave.
what?
They may be doing something wrong.
Or thief something.
Or do something
Do they
inside.
have
Like
any
what
artifacts
now?
in that place?
No, they have things.
Like what?
Like gold or silvers.
Because naturally, you know, I don't know how to combine monastery and culture and tradition.
Yes.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
understand. Why not?
Yeah,
Do you understand what I'm saying? Monastery has to do with religious, Christian religion, isn't it?
It is.
So then, what does it have to do with a natural place where, you know, those places are places where we feel like, you know, it's only those traditionalists that, you know, get to that place. So why? Anyway, like our people used to say that people with different rules and regulations.
Of course.
We are here and we are going. Since we cannot do anything here.
All the way from Lagos.
All the way from Lagos.
Something.
Yeah.